Alright, good morning, how are you guys doing? So, as you guys saw in the beginning, GTO didn't start on the first start, so starter's going out. For being 15 years old, it's lasted pretty well, but it's time to replace this. And that's what we're going to be doing today. I've tried looking up videos on YouTube on how to change a starter on GTO and I couldn't find anything, so I thought, why not, let's do it. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So, yeah, let's get into it. I guess first thing you gotta do is gonna have to jack the car up, and then we'll move on from there. So you have the car up in there. Next thing you're gonna want to do is take off this skid plate right here. So you'll have undercar access and then access from the engine bay as well. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alrighty, so now that's off. There's the oil pan. You'll be able to see under the engine, and before we move on further, I'm gonna wait for my dad because I have no idea what I'm doing. And from what I believe, the starter is gonna be right there under the headers and the spark plug wires. So it'll probably be easier somehow. I read online that you take this last spark plug wire out and you'll be able to kind of wiggle it through the top over here, but everybody says you have to take your mid cats out, but with short tube headers we have relocated the cats down lower, so we'll see. Alright, so all I see holding the starter in is two bolts. So you have that one right there, and then that one right there. Then we're gonna have to try to find a way to get it out of here. So I'm gonna start by taking those two bolts out and trying to get this thing out. Okay, starter is unbolted, and we're just gonna take that O2 sensor out just so we have a little bit more room. I'm trying to take this rear end and stick it up, but there's not enough room. Alright, so here's the old one. Here's the new one we're putting in, power stroke, excess torque. So we went ahead and took the mid pipe out, and instead of just trying to take it out from the edge of bay, let me just snug it out from the bottom. Took the mid pipe out right there. There was way more than enough room to get it out of there. There's gonna be two nuts holding it on from right there and right there. Gonna be a small nut and a bigger nut. I think the small one was a 8 and the bigger one was maybe a 10 or 12. So those are gonna be your ignition and battery wires. Just disconnect those and you'll be able to get it out. So first test try to put it in didn't work. So with this you can clock the solenoid however you want, and we went in and clocked a little bit towards the right just to make sure it matches the other one, and we'll see if it fits. Alright, so now the starter's in. As you can see, we took the mid pipe off. Two wires are connected for ignition and battery. Just make sure they're not touching each other, and then we're probably gonna check, make sure it works, and then put the exhaust back on and we'll be done. I just wanted to say thank you for watching the video. Hopefully I helped you guys out. I'll try to put like a more little descriptive version of how to do it in the description, just because I know I didn't film much. And yeah, hopefully this helped you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.